Alright then guys, this is going to be by far the quickest unboxing video you've ever seen on this channel. Today we're going to be taking a super quick look at Evolution's brand new 18-volt combi drill. This is the tool only, so no battery or charger. So as always, I'll show you what comes in the box and then give you a close-up of the drill and its features. Right, so there's a quick look at the front of the box. So without further ado, let's open it up, see what we get. So right off the bat, get your instruction manual, and you also get a belt clip. And then we get the drill itself. So as you can see, there's not a lot in the box. First impressions, feels quite nice in the hand. Heavy enough that it doesn't feel cheap, but not overly heavy. So let's take a close-up of all the features. Alright then guys, so there's the drill. So you've got your usual trigger, and you've got your forward and reverse switch. This drill can be used for driving in screws, drilling, and you've also got the hammer drill set in for drilling in masonry and that, which is nice. It's got 20 different clutch settings. Two speeds. Now the chuck will accept drill bits up to 13mm, so pretty standard. It's an all metal chuck, which is really nice to see on a budget drill, and it's obviously keyless, so you don't need a chuck key to tighten up the drill bits. And that's pretty standard with most drills these days. Belt hook can be attached on both the right and the left side of the drill. And then right down at the bottom here, you've got an LED work light. And that is basically all there is to say about it. Right, so to give you a quick comparison, this is my brushless Makita. Now the features are more or less identical. Chucks, you've got your clutch settings, and then the different settings from driving in screws, drilling and percussion or hammer. Got your speed settings 1 and 2. Your forward and reverse is in the same place. The only thing that is different is the light on the Makita is at the top, which I think might be a little bit better, as this one is down near the battery. Sure, it's not going to make a massive difference. As far as weight goes, there's not really a lot of difference. They're about the same. And sound wise, right, so I'll do a quick test. I'm not going to drill holes because my drill bits are real cheap and nasty, and it's not going to be a very accurate test. But what I've decided to do is drive in some 80mm screws into this piece of 4x4 fence post. I'm going to do it with both the drills on the first setting and then the higher setting, and see whether it'll actually drive the screw all the way in or not. So I'll start off with the Makita. No pilot holes, just straight in. Get started. Right. And that worked perfectly. Now let's swap over to the Evolution. Again, put it on setting 1. So a little bit slower than a Makita, but it did drive it all the way in. So now we'll swap back to the Makita. Now I'll put it on setting number 2 and do exactly the same again. Alright. As to be expected, straight in, no problems. So back to the Evolution. And screw's getting a little bit on the hot side. See how this does. Right. Setting, did I have that in? I think I just had that in the first one. I might have actually had the drill in 2 when I first done the test with this one. Certainly got plenty of power. All in all, not bad. So Makita one last time. And that has got plenty of power. One last time with the Evolution. If I don't burn myself on a screw, that is, because these are hot. Definitely got plenty of torque. Maybe not as strong as the Makita, but that is to be expected because the Evolution one is half the price of the Makita. So all in all, seems like a fairly decent drill for not a lot of money. Alright then guys, I think that just about wraps that one up. So what can I say? Overall, it drills holes, it drives in screws, it does everything you'd expect a drill to do. Not as powerful as my brushless Makita, but then I kind of knew that would be the case. But overall, it does what it's supposed to do. So don't forget, you can get yourself 10% off over on the Evolution website by using the code GRUMPIES, all in capitals. So that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay safe and you'll see me in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.